What is the one thing you think everybody gets wrong about the market right now?
You know, you constantly hear people say, oh, the market's expensive relative to the current reality. It's true. The stock market relative to current earnings is expensive, but the market's always thinking about the future. And so the issue really is, what does the future look like? If you think the economy is going to go into a recession tomorrow, well, yeah, the market's expensive. But if you think, now that we've gotten back on our feet, we're going to continue to grow and hold high ground, earnings are going to be growing over the years. And I think relative to the earnings that you could imagine 2, 3, 4, 5 years from now, the market is not expensive. So the issue really is, are we heading for a new downturn, new trouble or not? And honestly, I think not. A lot of people say, well, look, we're now in the 9th year of recovery.
I hear that a lot.
You look at all of our history since the 1800s, our cycles don't last more than 6 to 9 years. So people say, well, it's just about time. To me, it's not about time. It's about, are we looking at conditions in the economy that throw you off course? And when you look at our past, the things that usually always cause trouble was the economy comes roaring back, inflation's heating up, the Fed has to step on the brakes. Well, we're not anywhere near that. And the other kind of thing that throws us off is interest rates stay too low, financial excesses start to build up, real estate excesses, real estate speculation, and you have to correct those. And so when you look at the last several cycles, the real estate problems, prior to that, the Y2K telecom bust, prior to that, the thrift problems, well, looking around, it's hard to find excesses that will make you think that we're facing some kind of new downturn. And obviously the Fed doesn't think so either, because the Fed has got rates very easy, and they want to adjust rates normally, and it might take them several years to do that. So they obviously looking around, don't think that we're facing any kind of new downturn. So to me, if you think the economy has a long life ahead of it still, that's what's going to be driving equity investors, and that's what's going to make them think about tomorrow, not today. And so to me, it's not hard to imagine an outlook that says, gee, the market's not too expensive.
Great, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Such a pleasure to have you, fellow math major.
Yeah, thank you.